Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. This is my YouTube channel. I love colorful makeup, bright, fun, colorful makeup, sort of clownish, which I wish I was filming when I was doing my blush because I looked like an absolute clown. It was kind of funny. But I would love to have you subscribe if you're new here. If not, just leave a comment, a dislike, a like, it doesn't matter, just do something while you're here. But today I played with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I just got this in my Ulta order, which I show you a little bit. Yeah, there's some Ren Beauty, there's some Milani, not a lot of stuff, but again, a huge shout out to a Jan Van who I will have tagged below. So I played with this beauty right here. So if you would love to see how I got this look, which I'm really realizing I never showed at the end of this tutorial, then let's keep watching. That's not my intro. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm like absolutely frazzled from work today, so I'm glad that this Ulta box came with all my goodies from Jan, because it's just a good thing to like decompress for me. Let's start. It looks like I got myself a couple more of the chiffon lash couture oh my gosh, lashes from Kiss, because I've been loving these. Have been my go-to lately, and some of mine are like nastily glued together, so yeah. I also got the Milani Fruit Fresh Kiwi Watermelon Lip Balm. I need to wipe mine off so I can test this. I wanted the strawberry lemonade one though, so I am kind of like sad and depressed that that wasn't there. That tastes wonderful though. That tastes absolutely amazing. So I got the, which Ren Beauty one is this? One of the Midnight Shadow palettes in Prince Pressa. Like I said, I'm just like shaky. It was not a good afternoon. This is the one I got. It looks like this. I can, yeah, I'm really excited for that one. I don't know if I'm gonna play with that one today. I do have the other one, but I can't exactly remember which one it is right now. Go-Go Boots, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, but I got a Natasha Denona palette. This isn't the one that I wanted. I think it's like the Trichrome is what it's called, but I don't think that one's sold anymore. So I got the My Dream palette, but holy schmoly, my god, something, can you see all the blue stuff on it? I don't know what that is, but it's over everything in my box, so thanks, Ulta. Okay, let me get this out. I'm really excited. I keep seeing like Jan and Shani using their Natasha Denona palettes, and along with Michelle, who I will all have tagged below if you haven't checked them out. Okay, but this is what it looks like. I'm not really a neutral person, but this was the only palette that really spoke to me. So I'm excited to play with this. It does look like it's in good shape though. It's just everything else is just covered and stuff. So like, that's not even coming off. So I'm going to use the Ren Beauty concealer to prime my eyes and the Maybelline Fit Me powder to set. I'm going to do a Ren Beauty video here soon because I have like some of their products. I don't have any other lip products just because none of the colors really spoke to me. Again, we're on all about speaking to me things. But how are y'all? I hope y'all are not as frazzled as me. We'll start with Carpe Diem, this shade right here, and we'll put that into the crease. I'm going to be putting that Carpe Diem shade directly into the crease and sort of blending it upwards a little bit. Like I said, I've seen like Jan, Shani, and Michelle just like absolutely love and adore Natasha Denona, and when Jan so graciously gave me a gift card because she is a crazy human being, I was like, well, I'm gonna get one. So here we are. I think I'm going to go with that Instinct shade right here and put that in this area. I'm gonna start with that brush that I was using just cause, taking a little bit just to see the potency and blending that up into where I put that other shade in the crease. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Instinct shade and put that all over, well, not all over, just deepen out what I did before. And I'm going to go in with a Rephr brush. This is the Rephr 14, and just blend that out a tad bit more. I would just like to say a huge appreciation to Jan. Like, she was like one of the first friends that I made on this platform, and has just become such a dear friend and just amazing person in my life. So she's such a giver, such a, like I said, just an amazing person, and I absolutely love and adore her. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Edgy, and I'm going to be putting that, I can't tell if it's like focused on me or not, but I'm going to put that in the outer edge here. But I'm bringing that edgy shade up into the crease a little bit and blending it out. Also, my hair is clean in my videos for once. That's a huge accomplishment, so just an FYI. And I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Aspiration, and to just deepen out that crease a tad bit more, because I'm realizing how close I'm getting to the Unearthly Cosmetics look that I did, and I do not want to do the same look within a really short time span, because I want to be creative. So we're dipping that in. So I've never dealt with like a duochrome, multi-chrome, whatever you want to call them. So I'm super excited for this. I just swatched on my finger. I felt giddy and happy and just all around like, oh, about it. So I'm going to take that Vision color right here, and I'm going to put that all over the open space that I have. Oh, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. I don't know if it's like showing up as well as it is like on camera and as it is in person, but that is gorgeous. I think just because I'm going to take a little bit of that Invention shade, I'm going to take that orange shimmer shade and just pop a little in the middle part of the eye. I'm going on a second date with the dude from last week. I've had a little bit of issues with him, but that to me is just from like my personal experiences and trauma just showing up. It's been a huge week for me getting triggered, so we're just gonna mark it down for that. I'm like super excited about this palette though. This is like insane and gorgeous. Like, can we see this? But I'm going to plop on some lashes, some mascara, listen to some tunes, calm the F down, put on my skin stuff, and then we'll talk about my thoughts from this palette, because I have some. Okay, so I may or may not have taken like a really long time to do everything else, and I just got really distracted and I started telling people about my day. Again, yeah. Okay, this is the Unearthly Cosmetics. This is an Unearthly Cosmetics lip. So yeah, for the Valentine's Day collections, I don't know if it's like available anymore. I don't think it is, but I link it every time. I think I'm going to maybe go in with Instinct, maybe a little bit of Edgy for the under eye. Again, I'm still just freaking frazzled, okay? Like, I didn't need that today. Okay, we're just gonna go in with Instinct. I'm like, again, like I said, I'm frazzled so far. I'm just like all over the place. I'm like incredibly sorry. But I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this shade for the inner eye, the Invention shade. Just a little bit. This is super pretty. Oh my gosh. I think this may or may have not just convinced me to buy more of these. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this. I'm like loving it so far. I think it's like, oh, my lash isn't even glued on. It's just one of those days, okay? It's just one of those days. But I'm really loving this so far. I know I've only used it once, but like, so the shades that I used, the Instinct, Vision, Edgy, Aspiration, Carpe Diem, and Invention, have been really good so far. Again, I've only used it once, so but I'm excited to dip my fingers into this more, and I'm excited to possibly get more. Like I said, I want to get the trial comb one, because to me that one is just absolutely gorgeous and breathtaking and stunning. Like me. Thank you for making it to this point of the video. If you watched this far, I absolutely love and appreciate you, and I'm so thankful that you're here. I need to move my mirror off of here. I'm gonna sit here and keep looking at myself, which isn't a bad thing, but it just doesn't need to be right now. Again, thank you for watching. Just a reminder to not be racist, transphobic, homophobic. Don't be a piece of shit. It is so much easier to be nicer and kinder and to be a good person rather than a dickhole. And remember to be good and kind and to not be a dick.